Good morning, guys.
Hey.
Happy Tuesday.
Happy 80-degree day in Wisconsin. For once.
I didn't even look at myself in the mirror.
Long time.
Oh, nice. It's currently 10 o'clock. They definitely can hear us out there.
We're gonna say good morning to the construction guys. 3, 2. Hey boys. Dude, before they were standing like literally right here.
And they were probably watching us sleep too.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie. We were right there because like my bed is right here and like it was open a little bit so you could see.
Oh my god, I probably look like shit. Oh, pet. Good morning.
Oh yeah.
He just itches balls. He definitely just itched his shit. Put away dishes real quick. I got these like organizers for the fridge yesterday. That's nice.
And then I'm gonna get groceries because I technically live here now.
Yep.
I'm gonna buy some groceries for myself.
And I don't really have like the necessities. Like I got a butter dish, realizing I didn't even have butter. Like I have some food.
No.
You want to
You
show
literally
them?
have nothing.
Okay.
Okay.
Give
Let's
give them a
see,
fridge tour
guys.
and a pantry tour.
Fridge tour. Okay. That's it. Coffee. That's mine. Frosting. Milk and some random shit.
That milk is not mine.
And what's this?
I'm just gonna say that right now.
Cucumber.
Oh fuck yeah.
Cucumber, broccoli, ginger. Like who has ginger but doesn't have like ketchup? Anyways. And ow. And then in her pantry, you know, okay, you actually have a decent amount of snacks.
Yeah. That's all that matters, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's down here? Oh, you have spices too. Very nice.
Very nice.
That's all.
My neighbor last night came over for a little bit because we put together my TV, and dude really left with one of my cups.
He took mine too. It was my water.
He literally sent me a picture.
I literally just got ice, and I heard him pick it up, and there was ice in it, and I was like, "Thanks."
Where is it?
I have your cup.
He literally texted me
Oh my god, I forgot we have cake.
and was like, I have your cup. Yeah, we do have cake up there. It's the beginning of hot girl summer, bitches. Now me and Ani booking a spontaneous flight to Miami. Quickly making avocado toast with the quickness. If you want anything, I'll help yourself. I don't really know what I have, or we can pick something up at festival for you. Bye.
Ow! Holy socks.
Okay, we're now gonna go get groceries, and then I think me and Ella are gonna get a tattoo.
Yeah, last minute.
I texted the guy that did my finger tattoo. The vlog should be, oh shit. Vlog should be up without right now. But I texted him and I think we're gonna just go get another tattoo.
Yeah.
Wait, he texted me. Look at it.
He said, okay, I'm gonna head out towards the shop, meet you right at 12. I should be able to do it. Bet! What the f? I think it'll look at both of us if it's right here.
No.
Oh, fuck. My arm!
It's okay, we'll just vlog when we get to the grocery store. Bye, guys.
Okay.
It's a beautiful day in Wisconsin. It is almost 80 degrees outside.
Wearing shorts.
Oh yeah, get it, I guess. Okay, we got the goods. Ella got herself some bagels. Love that. She's got to get cream cheese. After this, we're gonna run home, unpack everything, and then go because Carlos is waiting for us at the shop. So we're about to go get tatted. It up. When the camera's like literally right in the cart, but like too lazy to. We just don't want to.
Wrong.
We're 2 minutes away from the shop. We'll get there a little bit before 12. I'm so excited. I'm getting actually this one touched up a little bit because it's already kind of fading, and then that's when I texted him and asked him, look, like, if we're gonna be there, I want another tattoo and Ella wants another tattoo as well. So this will be my third tattoo, and this is gonna be her second. This is my second tattoo in the past like 2 to 3 weeks.
Yep.
So we'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, we're back. Here we go. Woohoo. Ready?
Yeah, I got herpes.
Is there no?
You don't have to tell everyone. Don't worry.
I like to just be honest with people, you know? I'm just kidding.
You don't look nothing like the picture in your ID.
So sorry. I know I don't. I looked busted in my ID picture.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's so bad. It's so bad.
Oh my. Dude, mine is bad too. It's okay.
It's okay. We can laugh about it now. True. We'll cry about it later.
Yours still looks better than hers. Hers looks...
Sean, I don't want to hear it, Carlos. I don't want to hear it.
How'd the finger feel?
Hurt?
Then yeah.
Okay. The one behind my ear didn't hurt though.
No.
What'd you get behind the ear?
My little Chinese symbol. That I had before.
Oh, I see it now. I remember.
Yeah, that one didn't
We
hurt.
both have one on the same side.
Yeah, we both have a tattoo behind our ear, same side.
I think you're right. We're not built all exactly the same way. Oh, sorry. That mirror's not for...
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't shave, so I hope it works. It's not like horrible, but it's definitely coming in.
I was kidding, then I looked at my, oh, she's not kidding.
No. Shave the back of the leg real quick.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Wow.
Are you having trouble? You like keep like...
Yeah, it's a little wobbly up here. I don't think you understand. It's a little squishy. Yeah, it's a little wobbly up here. It's a little wobbly.
Okay, it's off center, but not because I didn't mean it to not be off center. I did it off center because your feet aren't exactly the same on each side. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The way they curve outwards and everything.
Alright, we just touched this one up. Now we're gonna do my ankle.
I'm cleaning off your feet because I don't know if they smell, but it's definitely not going to be a problem until I know they're clean.
Okay, that's fine. Well, what do you think's gonna hurt worse? Do you think that one's gonna hurt worse, or do you think my finger hurt worse? Please tell me my finger.
I feel like they're gonna be like the same pain level. They're both like right on a freaking bone.
Yeah,
Tendon.
honestly, I think the finger might have hurt more than this will.
Okay, I think so too, because this is only a bitch. But it's okay.
But I might start it and then you'd be like, what the f? But then you're still, I'm going to finish it at that point. So I don't.
You might be like, oh, that doesn't hurt at all.
I usually have a high pain tolerance, but I thought I did until this tattoo, and I was like,
I thought, like you would think like behind your ear would hurt because it's literally like on your neck.
Actually, you don't
It
have
doesn't
a lot
hurt.
of nerve endings there. So
that,
it wouldn't
Yeah.
hurt.
It didn't hurt.
But like you'd think it would, but it didn't hurt at all. Like I didn't even feel it. It's going. Does it hurt?
It's not bad, but I don't want to jinx it. It's not like, so far so good, but shit, I don't even know. Alright, in the process of getting my third tattoo. This is my second tattoo in the span of like 2-3 weeks. We'll see where I'm at in another 3 weeks. But this one so far doesn't hurt as bad as my finger. Hurts.
Wait, let's see your finger.
K-I-F-E.
Oh, it looks really good.
Right?
What?
K-I-F-E, right?
I think it's K-E-F-I. Do not, Carlos, I'm not in the
I got this. Don't worry, I got this.
Oh no.
Oh no.
That came out perfect too. All the lines are nice and clean.
Dude, that looks sick.
I can't see it. I missed it. Dude, you gotta get a picture.
Dude, your feet aren't
My
ticklish.
feet are not ticklish at all.
Dude.
You can do like anything to tickle my feet and they're not ticklish at all. So that one pain was literally a fucking 3. This was like a 10. That was nothing compared to this at all. Like I would much rather get that way over this. Oh my god, look how cute. This is so cute. Yeah. Yeah.
You guys met doing soft 3.5 freshman year?
Yeah. That's so good for that.
Can you go like this? Thank you so much.
Who's my eyebrow?
One of them was like sticking straight up.
That's
and
what my
driving.
eyebrows do, and everybody's like, you fix your eyebrow. I'm like, yeah, they just do that.
Is it done? Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Thanks.
I love it. It looks so good. Good shit, man. How was the pain?
It didn't hurt, like, at all.
Yeah.
It kind of hurts a little bit, but I'm alright.
Yeah.
I appreciate you asking.
My ass is kind of...
Okay, so we just got done leaving the tattoo shop. Now we're at Target getting some things. I have like a long list of random things that I need to get, so we're just gonna pick that up. But you know how Target goes, like you go in for a couple things and you always leave with way more.
Way too much.
We're just gonna go in and just honestly whatever happens, happens. We got distracted by the clothes and jewelry
And we bought swimsuits.
Now we're on that list part, and I'm trying to find like
We
little.
got coffee.
And I got a mango dragon fruit because their espresso machine was broken, so a sad day for that. Shit.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We're just roaming.
We're lost.
Yeah.
We don't know where we're gonna go. Should we go down here? There's
Yeah,
some
let's
candles.
go
Let's go down to the
candles.
candles. I get these candles all the time here. These ones right here. They're the best.
Those are pretty.
They're big
Oh,
too
wait.
for $10.
There's a certain one that smells like my grandma, and I absolutely love it.
Really?
Yeah.
They all smell so good. Mmm.
Ah.
That smells so good. Smell it.
Mmm.
Might
Guys,
be.
smell it. Mmm.
Mmm. Deliciosa.
Delicioso. Okay, bye. Next clip, we will have a blender.
Oh, there's the long riders right next to here.
Oh, we found something on the list.
Wow. Oh, 2 for $5. Yeah.
Okay, cut to the blender. We forgot to film the blender scene, so it's in the cart now.
Too late for that.
Oh, these are so cute. So instead we cut to, oh my god, that man
Oh, wait,
is
there's
zooming. And now she's looking for oven mitts.
Oh, okay, here we go. Wait. Oh, wait, these are the same ones. Never mind. They're the same.
We're now leaving Target.
$300 later.
I only spent 40.
Last week, I spent $400, so we're getting better. We're getting better. Should I just put it in the back seat? Or should I
Haul
just put it in the
soon, right?
trunk? Yeah, we're gonna do a haul when we get back. Should I just put it in the trunk? Okay, we're back. We're gonna do a little haul. Oh, wow, we are crooked. So we got oven mitts, pillowcases, scrubber, socks. I'm gonna like combine all these. Hair combs, swimsuit.
This is all Hannah's, by the way.
Loofah,
Upside down.
wide tooth comb,
Some earrings.
some clippies, some cute little barrette things,
Lighters.
melatonin and Advil,
Pink Himalayan mineral soap. What is this used for?
it's like a Epsom salt for like muscle relief after workout.
What do you do? Put it like in your bath?
Mm-hmm.
Candle melting.
New spray. Then I have the wall wax warmer for this one as well, for the wax.
Oh, your blender's over there.
Stainless steel wipes for my fridge, Tide stain removers,
I got
candles.
a swimsuit. Dude, I can't wait to try this on.
Got it.
Socks.
Got it, ninja.
Curl enhancing smoothie. That's it.
And then I got a cleaning thing that you infuse shit into, and it's like a mop. Nice. Oh, and then we got plants. Oh my god, yeah. We got this one, and this is Echavira.
Those are so cute. She's got some little succulents.
And then this one is agave. And then we got cute little aloe plants. We had to cut some of the things off because it was like leaning already, so we just cut them off and we'll let them grow. But we're probably gonna plant these. I have this planter that I'm gonna probably put this one in. Like this, but obviously we're gonna have to take it out and plant it.
Do you have like soil?
Mm-hmm. Nice! But yeah, that's what we got. Now we're gonna put all this shit away. Ooh! Oh, and we got these little ones.
I have the little pot things.
We got little pot things for the little baby ones.
Should we go by the window?
Yeah. That's the porch I was talking about.
Oh, that's nice.
There are a lot of nice cars here. There are lots of nice cars here. Okay, we're gonna end the video there.
Not this tall.
Okay. That was probably the most like,
That's how tall I am.
that was probably the most random put together vlog, but we did a lot of stuff. We got a lot of productive shit done. Tattoo was probably the most productive thing. I'm not showing you my ankle right now.
Come on, just do it. Do a handstand.
I will do. Ow! Ow, ow. I can't do that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.